Good morning, this is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing, starting off with some mostly cloudy skies this morning, but we do have some mild conditions and expecting mild conditions to continue over the next 48 hours. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have that area of high pressure from yesterday well off the coast. We have a surface trough over the Carolinas causing some shower activity down in that area, as well as some clouds that is impacting the clouds we are seeing across the local area as well. Otherwise, just some active weather off to the west. We'll see some of that activity moving into our area as we get into the day on Thursday with a cold front pushing through. Take a look at current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning. We have a broken deck around 8,000 feet, a broken deck at 10,000 feet. Winds are out of the south at 8 knots, temperature around 56 degrees, and relative humidity is at 93%. Look at the current visible satellite with the composite radar overlaid over that. We can see temperatures in the mid-50s across the local area with those clouds pushing through the area as well. We can see some of that shower activity associated with that surface trough well to the south of the local area. That has a very slight chance of bringing maybe a light sprinkle, maybe even a light shower passing through the area by late morning, early afternoon, but not really expecting that overall, expecting to stay dry with those southerly winds across the region. If we take a look at the high resolution model, see how things play out as we go through the day today. Again, expected mainly dry conditions. As that surface trough exits the coast, we'll have a very slight chance of seeing a light sprinkle or very light shower passing through. This model a little more bullish with a shower passing through, but other models showing drier conditions. So if we do see a sprinkle, it won't be anything too impactful, and then we'll see things drying out as we go into the evening. But we will have some low level moisture around, bringing in some low clouds and a good chance of seeing some low ceilings and fog in the area for the overnight hours as we go into the day on Wednesday. Expecting the clouds to stick around for most of the day as well, with another mild day ahead of us, but expecting dry conditions to continue as we go into the evening as well. And then as we get into our day on Thursday, that's when we'll start to see another chance of active weather moving into the area with a cold front that will be approaching the area. This model here a little slow on the cold front approaching than some of the other models, expecting some good chance of showers and thunderstorms to be in the local area as we get into the mid and later part of the afternoon. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, expecting green conditions across the board today until we get into the evening, where we'll have those chances of reduced ceilings and visibility. Otherwise, we'll see a mild day, well above average, about 5 to 6 degrees above average for our high today, around 68 degrees. We'll see a slight breeze out of the south, 8 to 13 to 9 to 14 knots, gusting up to around 19 knots for the afternoon hours, but overall mostly cloudy. And again, that very slight chance of a light sprinkle or shower passing through, but nothing too impactful if we do see that, but not expecting that to happen, so we are keeping green conditions for that precip chances, so less than a 15% chance or less of seeing a sprinkle in the area. But otherwise, continued dry conditions as we go into the evening. We pick up those low clouds as we get past the 20 local time frame and continuing into the morning hours of Wednesday, so we do pick up that orange risk for those reduced ceilings and visibilities through the overnight and morning hours for our Wednesday. We'll keep things fairly mild through the morning hours as well, with a low around 54 degrees, so that's well above average for our lows this time of year. And at the moment, tides are running normal. If we look at the next couple of days, Wednesday, we're expecting mostly cloudy conditions. We'll have a slight chance of low clouds lingering through the area through the day, particularly early in the day. Could see some partly cloudy periods at times later in the day. Otherwise, a very mild day. We'll see slightly breezy conditions, but expecting that to stay below wind advisory criteria at the moment, and seeing a high around 70 degrees, so above average for this time of year. So we have that yellow risk for those lower clouds in the area. And as we go into the evening hours, we'll see start off partly and becoming mostly cloudy, and we'll have that chance of low clouds continue as we go through the evening hours. So we do have that yellow risk for reduced ceilings and visibilities. Otherwise, we'll see a mild and continue slightly breezy conditions with a low around 58. As we go into Thursday, we'll see mostly cloudy conditions, and again, we'll see active weather moving into the area on Thursday. We'll have that good chance of showers and thunderstorms moving into the area by mid to late afternoon. So we do have that orange risk for precip as well as lightning in the area. We'll see breezy conditions as well, so we have a yellow risk of seeing winds at or above 25 knots. And with those showers and thunderstorms, we'll see reduced ceilings and visibility, so we do have that yellow risk for reduced ceilings and visibilities. Otherwise, we'll see a very warm day with a high around 74 degrees for our Thursday. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.